People around the world continue to face crises that cause them to flee their homelands. And Canada is one of many countries experiencing a significant rise in the number of people taking a life-changing step of seeking refuge at our borders. Through the Interim Housing Assistance Program, we've been providing funding to provincial and municipal governments on a cost-sharing basis to help alleviate housing pressures and increase capacity to meet the rise of asylum claimants. We've also been working with impacted provinces in particular and municipalities to transfer asylum claimants who require temporary accommodations from provincial shelters and churches to IRCC-funded hotels. As of last week, we had approximately 4,000 hotel rooms in 6 provinces safely housing approximately 7,300 claimants. As Canada continues to meet its international legal and humanitarian obligations, we need to continue providing a support at a level that reflects the ongoing impacts of asylum claims across the country. So today I'm announcing an additional $362.4 million in the Interim Housing Assistance Program to help provinces and municipalities across the countries in their efforts to assist those in need. This is an interim housing program. It isn't perfect. It's far from perfect. It's in fact more costly than it really should be. They are very much stopgap measures. We're dealing with short-term responses to a long-term impact and flow of people coming from different countries, not only to Canada, but across the world. We're seeing record numbers of movement across the Western Hemisphere. That's not going to change overnight. And so this program is important because it gets shelters over people's head, particularly with the temperature that it is outside. But it needs reform, and that's something that we'll have to work on in the coming months. I don't think anyone can tell you credibly what's going to happen in the next couple years, but we owe it to ourselves. I think we owe it to Canadians to reform a system that has very much been a stopgap measure since 2017 to deal with large historic flows of migration, irregular mostly, whether it's across the land borders or through the 2-3 principal airports. But this is important, and this is a significant sum coming from the federal government. We have a shared responsibility with provinces and territories in terms of welcoming people that are coming to this country and sometimes taking great risk to be here and fleeing war and oppression.